everyone, and welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. In today's video, I am going to be taking you along with me the week of March 20th, beginning Sunday, March 20th, to get rid of the most peskiest insects that I think live on the face of the earth, and that insect is fire ants. I have this mound that builds up every spring and summer, and I'm trying to get my yard together, and I can't do that with these fire ants in my way. So I've watched several videos, about maybe 5 or 6 videos on Sunday, March 20th, to try to find the most or the least expensive way to get rid of them. I did see 2 videos, and the process and technique, I combined both, and I was very successful. The only day that I didn't go out was Wednesday because it was raining. So you'll see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And if you have this same problem, I promise you this worked for me, so you can try it. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Okay, this is Sunday, March 20th. I got a pot of boiling water, and this is cinnamon. Both the videos, one says to use cinnamon, and the one that says to use boiling water, that video, that man specializes in studying ants. He has ant farms. I use the cinnamon to sprinkle around the mound to block the ants in. They don't like the smell or whatever it is about the cinnamon. They don't like the smell of the cinnamon. So it deters them to go back into the mound. But the boiling water, when you pour it in the middle and then around, it actually kills the ants. It boils them to death, basically. So I did that. This is on Sunday. And then the video clip coming up right after this, I go back after maybe 30 minutes and pour another bottle. But you'll see where the white, I guess they're the eggs or larvae that comes up. Those end up dying out too. So I didn't understand what that was. I tried to do some research to see, but all I know is this was very successful. So this is Sunday, and coming up is later, an hour later. Okay, the cinnamon is strong, but look close, the larva, those white little things, see all in there. I guess that's killing them. I don't see, oh, yeah, look at it. It's like they're trying to run away. You can't see it. See if I can get to, okay. He's climbing on the larva if I can get to him. That was just straight regular cinnamon and boiling water. So we'll see the next day. So today is March 21st, Monday, and there's very little sign of ants out here today. I have a stick here. I'm going to poke it and see if very little. You can see some coming out, but not like they were. Yeah, here's some of them come. I can still smell the cinnamon. And I'm going to bring some more cinnamon out here, but it is not as much as it was. So I remember reading one comment on another video that I watched where a young lady said she did it for 2 days straight and got rid of them. So it does work because it is not as much as it was. Very little. So I'm going to get some more cinnamon to put around here that keeps them from coming out, you know, going beyond the barrier, and then pouring another pot of hot boiling water. Okay, I'm sorry for the noise. There's construction going on and that machine is going. But here's my cinnamon, and I'm getting ready to pour it around here. And this blocks them from okay. It's creates a barrier, and I pour it on top as well. Say the boiling water thing works. Here's one over here that I did yesterday, and there is no activity whatsoever in this one. Let me get the stick. Put my cinnamon down, and yeah, see, there's one little one. Activity. This one is like all, they're gone. But the main mound was that mound over there, and then the one by my door. Here's my front door, and this mound is just right here. You can see a little bit there. See one crawling there. So I'll put some more cinnamon down. Put it on top. There's nothing going on there. Let me get the stick and kind of aggravate the mound and see what comes out. Okay, here's the sticks. I'm gonna see. Yeah. Okay, here's some. There's a few. Really can't see. Oh, there's some. But they are not like they were 2 days ago. Let's go back over to this mound. The mother mound is what I call it. And this mound would create every year in the summertime. I don't see them, but I got my, well, here's one. Let's see if I can, right there. Yeah, can't see it. They just don't like this. Here it is one. Where you at? Okay. I'm glad I can't see any. That means that works. So let me go get this pot of boiling water. Okay, here's my pot of boiling water that I'm getting ready to take out and pour on to the mound. Okay. And here we go. And the one thing that I don't see much of, as I did on Sunday, is a bunch of larva eggs. So there's one ant, he trying to run, and you really can't see it. But this solution works. It worked for me. Okay, everybody, today is Wednesday, March 22nd, and this is very successful because the mound does not build back up. Usually, you know, with ants, they build up, and it's not. I see a very few, and I mean, I see very few. I mean, I don't even, that means I thought I saw one or two. But this is successful. But I'm just going to do one more sprinkle around, because, and I'm doing this now so when I get ready to get my yard together, and I got this black rubber mulch, so I'm not worried about that. I can redo that. But I'm sprinkling there and on top. Look at that ant. You can't see him. Can you see him moving around? I don't know if you can see him. Yeah. And they cannot stand the cinnamon from what I'm told. I know it worked because the mound is not built back up. I'm going to get me one more pot of boiling water. This is Wednesday. Because I don't want to see any. I want them all gone. That's the red ants. I don't care about the mother ants. But them fiery ants, I don't want them nowhere near. See, it's not even a mound anymore. Now let's go check out this other one I got over here. There's been no activity in this one either. This is very successful. And then I'm going to go back over here to the one by my door. Here's my front door, and here is this one. Nothing happening here either. Again, today is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, March 22nd. So I'm going to get a pot of boiling water, pour it on for a third time. And that way, when I'm ready to finish doing my yard, because you can see I started putting this mulch down. Oh, let me get back out in the sun. And I said, let me get rid of these ants. And this is I want to start working on my yard, but I want to get those little, get them ants out of there so I can stack some more mulch. And I did a video a couple months where it says this mulch is supposed to block weed. Well, they're not bad, but there's some weeds in there. So it doesn't get rid of weeds totally, but it does kind of help block some of them. So it's just a little bit to pull up. It's not as bad as it was before I put the mulch down. Okay. Alrighty. Here's the water. And we're pouring it on. This time I'm just pouring it around it because the majority of them are gone anyway. That did it. So today is Thursday and the ant bed is gone. Loving it. They are gone. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, March 25th. I'm sorry for the noise. That's the reason why. I told you all some time ago, construction is going on. So they're building houses across from me. So I'm going to show you this is the last day that I'm coming out here to video this. Today is March again, Friday the 25th. And I'm going to poke. Where's my stick? So I'm poking and I see no ant activity. Awesome. Amazing. And just to show you, the cinnamon or whatever does kill the weeds and grass. So I think that's what I'm going to do to the rest of this here, to get rid of these weeds. And then I'm going to put some more mulch on top. But you see I'm poking here and there are no ants. I'm loving this. And all I used was cinnamon to block them in, and then the boiling water. I think I did the boiling water Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, because again Wednesday it rained, so I didn't come out at all, and I didn't put any water on it today, but it is gone. Let me go back so you can see. So that's the mound no longer exists. I love it, love it, love it. And I haven't done anything to these two because there hasn't been anything going on. This is the one that's here. Okay. I'm trying to, okay, here, this is better. I'm blocking the sun. There's the, once was a mound, no longer a mound. And then this one, and then over by my door, I'll go over there in a minute. So I really haven't done anything to this, except the first day, I think it was Sunday, I just did the cinnamon to block them in the boiling water. But I was concentrated on the, I call it again, the mother mound, which is no longer in existence. I am so excited. Just boiling water, everyone. And then the cinnamon to block in. Now again, I wouldn't do the cinnamon if the mound grows in your grass, because that kills the grass from what I'm told. So boiling water. It's just straight boiling water. And then we're going to go over here. I haven't done anything really by the door except just the one day, the cinnamon and boiling water. And here it is. So you know, when I did the other video, you could see how orange it was from the, not just the cinnamon, but the mound, how brown it was. No longer over there. I am so excited. Now I can finish my front yard, and I'll do a video of it. The flowers that I was sharing with you all last year when I told you about the mulch. I took the flowers up and I just put them in here. So that's what I'm going to do, but I'm going to buy white ones to put down in my bed here, and then possibly around my mailbox. Okay, so I hope this was something helpful for anyone that has problems with fire ants. Straight boiling water is the solution. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.